Good morning. I'm Renette van Graan Oerlemans. Recently, a colleague and I sat down to discuss the real world complexities of learnerships and skills development. We realized that while many see the technical requirements as a hurdle, there's actually a much more impactful way to approach this journey. I wanted to share key insights from that conversation. In fact, I will share 6 key insights with you that will help you to move from simply ticking the boxes to building a real legacy in your business. Let's take a look.
Renette, many CEOs see triple PE skills development as a headache. Is it really just about the scorecard?
You know what, in Jabulu, that's where many people get it wrong. If you and I view learnerships only as a BE requirement, we miss the wonderful magic about it. These aren't just programs or qualifications, they are actually your future talent pipeline. When you shift from compliance to talent development, implementations stops feeling like a chore. This means that you are building a talent pipeline which makes you a lot more competitive.
How do I know which qualification is suitable for my business?
One of the biggest mistakes is picking a qualification just because it's easy to fund and actually easy to find. You and I need to look at your specific business. What are the actual roles that you need to fill, and what is the scarce skills that needs to be fulfilled in your business? What skills are missing in your departments? When we match the right qualification to the actual roles in your organization, the learnership stops being a side project and starts driving your actual productivity.
Picking the right qualification takes so much time. How do we make it easier?
By stopping the quick fix mentality. If you scramble for points in the final month of your financial year, it will always be a hassle. Please think long term. This is a strategic investment in your human capital. When you plan a 12-month roadmap instead of a 30-day sprint, the stress disappears because the structure is already there. You know what? You can repeat it every single year and have new learners. And when you look again, these people are in senior positions.
I want to implement these qualifications, but I don't want to give my team more work.
Actually, it's the opposite. You'd be surprised how many of your current employees are eager to give back. By bringing your staff in as mentors, you aren't just helping the learner, you're developing the leadership skills of your senior team. It builds a culture of growth where mentors feel part of the success. They are not just on the sidelines any longer.
For a CEO ready to start, what does the actual process look like?
Well, we've simplified it into 3 clear steps. Step 1, very important, is the strategic alignment session to match your business needs with the correct industry related qualification. Step 2, targeted recruitment using our vetted database. And then step 3, the actual launch. We take the administrative weight off your shoulders so that you can focus on the growth of the learners.
What happens during the 12 months of the learnership?
Well, in Jabulu, this is where the Diverse Conversations team takes you by the hand and takes the learners by the hand and guide them step by step through the blended learning methodology. Our blended learning methodology includes self-paced online learning, also virtual classrooms, and most importantly, face-to-face classrooms as and when needed and possible. I don't believe a computer can replace a facilitator. So our expert facilitators are really there to support and champion the whole process with you.
What happens when the 12 months are up? Does the journey end there?
Well, this is the most important question. The national crisis in our country is that 70% of learners end up back where they started before the learnership in unemployment. But with our Career Reignite nonprofit company, we don't just do a learnership, we actually build careers. You and your learners have the opportunity to join a community looking for industry relevant skills. So, the bottom line of all of this is that transformation doesn't have to be a burden. It can be your greatest competitive advantage. If you are ready to make your learnership and skills development implementation hassle free and truly impactful, let's have that conversation. Visit our website or contact us to get started.